I choose how I respond to my environment. My power thrives regardless of conditions outside of me. I am brimming with courage and confidence. I can achieve anything that I set my mind to. I am becoming more of my true self each day. I am thrilled to be consciously evolving. I embody the strength I perceive outside of me. I become what I desire. I turn my dreams into reality. Everything I need to succeed is provided. I stand up for my highest truth. I am bold, daring, and self-assured. I am worthy of beauty, love, and success. What I believe in, I achieve. I have a positive mindset. I know that my thoughts create my reality.